Next test is ratio test. So in ratio test, let sigma uk be a series with positive terms. So all the terms of the series are positive. And let rho limit k tends to infinity uk plus 1 by uk. That is uk is the kth term of the given series. uk plus 1 is the k plus 1th term. That is obtained by substituting k plus 1 in the place of k. k ന് പകരം k plus 1 കൊടുത്താൽ we get uk plus 1. And if rho is less than 1, the series converges. If rho greater than 1 or plus infinity, then the series diverges. If rho is equal to 1, then we can't apply this ratio test. Ratio test fails. Okay, so we need any other test to check the convergence. So for this example, test whether the series converges sigma k from 1 to infinity 1 by k factorial. So here sigma 1 by k factorial. So 1 by k factorial is uk. So by ratio test, what is rho? The formula is rho is equal to limit k tends to infinity uk plus 1 by uk. So uk is 1 by k factorial. So what is uk plus 1? So uk plus 1 is 1 by k plus 1 the whole factorial. So k is replaced by k plus 1. Okay. So rho is limit k tends to infinity 1 by k plus 1 factorial, that is uk plus 1, divided by uk, that is divided by 1 by k factorial means into k factorial. So the property of k factorial, k plus 1 factorial is k plus 1 into k factorial, that is 3 factorial is 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 factorial എന്ന് എഴുതാമല്ലോ. അതുപോലെ k plus 1 factorial is k plus 1 into k factorial. So that k factorial cancels. Okay. So the remaining limit k tends to infinity 1 by k plus 1. If k is infinity, infinity plus 1 is again infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. 0 is less than 1. So by this rule, by ratio test, the series converges. Next one, sigma k from 1 to infinity k raised to k by k factorial. So here also uk is k raised to k by k factorial. So what is uk plus 1? So we have to replace k plus 1 in the place of k. So it is k plus 1 the whole raised to k plus 1, k raised to k, that is k plus 1 the whole raised to k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 factorial. So by ratio test, what is rho? It is limit k tends to infinity uk plus 1 by uk. That is limit k tends to infinity k plus 1 the whole raised to k plus 1 by k plus 1 factorial divided by this one k raised to k by k factorial. So into its reciprocal തിരിച്ചിടുക k factorial by k raised to k. So here we have to simplify or modify this one by taking the maximum power of k as common outside. Okay. So this is k plus 1 the whole raised to k plus 1 is k plus 1 the whole raised to k into k plus 1 raised to 1. A raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n, like that. K factorial by, what is k plus 1 factorial? It is k plus 1 into k factorial, that into k raised to k. So k plus 1 cancel and k factorial also cancels. Okay. So the remaining k plus 1 the whole raised to k. So we have to take k outside. So if you take k outside, k power kuda പുറത്തു വരും. So k raised to k outside. So k raised to k into what is remaining 1 plus 1 by k the whole raised to k divided by k raised to k. So that k raised to k also cancels. So remaining limit k tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by k the whole raised to k. So this is if k is infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So 1 raised to infinity. 1 raised to infinity is an indeterminate form. It is not is equal to 1. Okay. So we have to find the limit by using L'Hospital's rule. So for that, let x be this term, the unknown, limit k tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by k the whole raised to k. So taking logarithm, log x is limit k tends to infinity k into log a raised to b. Log a raised to b is b log a. So k into log 1 plus 1 by k. So limit k tends to infinity. So this is a product, k into log. Okay, this is a product. So to apply this L'Hospital's rule, we have to get either infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. So for that, we have to write it as a fraction. So the multiplication term log 1 plus 1 by k divided by 1 by k എന്ന് എഴുതാമല്ലോ. Into k means divided by 1 by k. So now it is a fraction. If k is infinity, log 1 is 0, 1 by infinity is 0, 0 by 0. So this is the required form. So in this case we can apply the rule, that is find the derivatives of the numerator and denominator. So what is the derivative of log? Log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by k into derivative of 1 plus 1 by k. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 1 by k is minus 1 by k square divided by again 1 by k. The derivative of 1 by k is minus 1 by k square. So this term cancels. So remaining 1 by 1 plus 1 by k. If in k is infinity, 1 by 1 plus 1 by infinity. The 1 by infinity is 0, so it is 1. Okay. So what is log x is 1. If log x is 1, what is x? It is anti-logarithm. That is the base is e, a natural logarithm. So e raised to 1 is e. So value of, what is the value of e? It is between 2 and 3. Okay. So it is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, the series is divergent. Okay. So if you study this formula, limit k tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by k, the whole raised to k is 1 plus 1 by k, the whole raised to k is e. So please note it, okay, as a formula. Okay. So next, limit k tends k is sigma k from 3 to infinity, 2k the whole raised to whole factorial by 4 raised to k. So we have to check the convergence test by ratio test. So what is uk? Uk is 2k the whole factorial by 4 raised to k. So by ratio test, rho is limit k tends to infinity uk plus 1 by uk. It is limit k tends to infinity 2 into k plus 1 the whole factorial by 4 raised to k plus 1 divided by this one means into 4 raised to k by 2k the whole factorial. So it is 2k plus 2 the whole factorial into 4 raised to k by 4 raised to k into 4 a raised to m plus n 2k factorial. So 2k plus 2 factorial is, we can take 2k plus 2 outside. So 1 reduces, that is 2k plus 1. Again factorial notation, like 2k plus 1 we can take it out. So 2k plus 1, 1 reduces and it becomes 2k the whole factorial, because the denominator there is 2k factorial. So now we can cancel this 2k factorial and applying infinity, k is in the numerator, not in the denominator, so it is infinity. So the series is divergent. Next one, sigma k from 1 to infinity, k factorial by k raised to 99. So uk is k factorial by k raised to 99. By ratio test, rho is limit k tends to infinity uk plus 1 by uk, that is limit k tends to infinity. uk plus 1 is k plus 1 factorial by k plus 1 the whole raised to 99 into k raised to 99 by k factorial. Again k plus 1 factorial, k plus 1 into k factorial, k raised to 99 by, we can take k outside. So k into 1 plus 1 by k the whole raised to 99. K factorial cancel ചെയ്യാം. So k raised to 99, the same term in the numerator. So k raised to 99 cancel out. So remaining k plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by k the whole raised to 99. If k is infinity, it is infinity. So the series is divergent. Okay. Next one, sigma k from 1 to infinity, k by k square plus 1. Here also uk is k by k square plus 1. So what is rho? Limit k tends to infinity, k plus 1 by k plus 1 the whole square plus 1 into its reciprocal, k square plus 1 by k. So take maxima k outside. So k into 1 plus 1 by k. Here also k square outside, 1 plus 1 by k square. So here also we have to take k. So k into 1 plus 1 by k the whole square plus 1 into k. So k cancel edu. Again k outside edukumbo k square porthu varum. So that it is 1 plus 1 by k the whole square plus 1 by k square. So we have to take k square from the whole term. So k square, 1 by k square. So k square cancels. As k tends to infinity, it is 1 into 1 by 1. That is 1. So if the rho is 1, ratio test fails. So we have to apply any other method. So the only method we know is limit comparison test. So here the series is sigma k by k square plus 1. So we can apply limit comparison test. So we have to choose a non-series which is divergent or convergent. So here we can take k from the numerator, k square from the denominator. So it is k by k square, or it is 1 by k. So we have to choose the series sigma bk as sigma 1 by k, and it is a divergent series, harmonic series. And what is row limit ak by bk? K by k square plus 1 into k divided by 1 by k means into k. So k square, we can take k square outside from the denominator. So it is 1. So if it is finite number positive, both the series converges or diverges. So here we know that it is divergent, so the given series also diverges. Okay.